People who are going, you don't know me the facts now, come for talk for up and talk trash. You see me? People who are going, yo, big up the people and big up the supporters, them, you know. Respect for the like, share, and subscribe, you see me? Yeah, man, when I don't know the things that, how come for talk about Vybz Kartel? See, I wonder what I go on. Wait, I would meet and I run with him again, I go on. Time run out or what? What am I doing? I move anti-social now. I was going because last time, you know, if you watch a video, you see what I talk about.
I mean, my goal right now is to just take over back dancehall. You know what I mean? Bring dancehall back on a level internationally where we see reggaeton is now, where we see Afrobeat is. That is the goal, to get it back to the heyday of dancehall.
Kartel, what is your goal right now?
I just see the video a while ago. You see me? But the question is, can Vybz Kartel save dancehall right now? That one, because when him fall from prison, remember, you know, them say dancehall they are prison, so dancehall for the road back, so what you go on? What go on? No controversy, no drama, no day again. What go on now? What go on for your music? Cause people are saying I run the place, you know, but when we talk about run place of music, we talk about, you understand when I really talk about the media thing right now. You see me? But in missing from the media, I wonder what go on. You see me? Yeah, man. I'm buying a king this, you know, man. You see it? Yeah. But what really go on for music? Him drop album, nothing no go on. He sang them, what really go on? You see it? One a drama not for boots. For boot certain things again. What go on? People in comment, tell me what go on. Because from Kartel, I do him thing of the music, you know, be a controversy thing, and you see me, which is good, but like without it, how we manage? You see it, what go on? What's if the boss forward out in a man? Be a thing go on, you know. You see it. You see it. Be a thing go on. Place a mash up. History I create. But what go on now? You see me, cause the history come like easy for your about. You see me, what? You know real. You just put up for a PR stunt or what? You see me, what go on? Couple shows are forward up. But I'm not perform it, you know. But I'm not see him perform the real way yet. You see me? Yeah, man. But I look forward. The Gaza fans them look forward to see in performance. Is what I try to say so. No show for, you know, remember, you know, big show, you know, sold out, and what them say, Barclays Center, hey, trouble, you know, yeah, man. So, people might look over to see what go on, but can he save dancehall right now? Because him numbers, them not look like it, I go save it, you know. Yeah, and the numbers, them not look good, you see me? If you talk about the views and the drama on the social media, yeah, them they look good, but the music, them, it don't look good at all, you see me? Last time he performed on a stage in the UK, they with the mobile thing, people must tell him say, you want to sing back the song there again? So more and more going. You see me? Cause if you realize, you know, yeah, I'm one great artist, but when things forward in and things pop up, nobody forgot about him. You look a while and then when I look at drama or controversial thing forward up, you know. You see me? Yeah. You don't see him link up couple government in some island. Him go US, him go UK, you see me? Which every other artist do that. You see me? But the only thing Kartel have over every artist in a dancer right now, I go in prison for 13 years. That's all. Yeah, man. Go in prison for 13 years. So that's all I'm over dancehall artist them. You see me? Yeah, man. So more respect to him. You see me? Yeah, 13 years in a prison, give him more respect. You see it? Yeah, man. Look like some of the artists have forgot to do this, cause they are going, like say, nobody put him in there. You see what I'm trying to say? But yeah, man, Gaza fans, I'm gonna say my bad mind and hate, but that's what I give, and that's what I call it. I just so we just attack on a reason, cause remember say, I say the man of the king, dancer locked in a prison, dancer for the road, but you know, I was going. Couple shows are forward up, you know, cause remember, you know, you see after the show, remember, you know, after the show, them, you know, things have to start happening, you know. You understand? And we're done to the quality of the music already. You understand? Yeah, man, we're done to the quality of the music already. Him do a collab with Akon and Busta Rhyme. Me not to see nobody around with it. I wonder what go on. How them a do the Gaza boss, so? How them a do the Gaza king, so what go on? Just couple people me see I run out and, but nothing really did there. You see it? Yeah. Them say him a run the place, but yeah, him a run the media. You see it? Yeah. Him a run the media, but what go on now? I don't see nothing go on. Isolation time, what going? All of the drama, Lisa hype thing, what going? All of them thing they gone. What? Sean Tam not get him new thing yet. He not get him new VK yet, what going? Look like your rum them sold out, you know. The rum now make again, what going? A lot of things, man, a lot of things, cause from Kartel come from prison. Man, them say, yo, artists now drop no music and way and all of them look sort of something there. So me really want to know what really I want, cause me see artists a drop song, artists a drop album, but the song them a do good. You see me? But me not hear nobody real about Kartel music. I just look at thing in the media thing. You see people say him people bad mind man. You see me? Them put up a little show with the ticket price high and all of them look something. Them must say Jamaican people get chopped, you know. You see me? Yeah man, Jamaican people get chopped man, so all of that little situation there. Man, the movie go Bronx, you know, in Brooklyn, for say, and then look like say people must say, what this? And things say, I wait there. I just feel like he come from prison, ticket them high and all of them look something. But people them a ball over the car. Me people them a say, yo, the people them who a ball over the ticket and no Gaza people. So tell me now. So which other people, if I no Gaza fan them, why them have to worry about ticket price we go? You understand? Cause one of Gaza fans now go. You understand? That more know. You see it? One of Gaza fans now go. So I will ball them. You see it? Cause most Gaza fans them, that's why them a ball. So yo, what this? You see me? But as the people them say, I hope he can give performance, you know. You see it? Yeah man, I hope he can give performance, cause it not gonna look good. You see it? Yeah man. So as they say, I the promoter thing. You see me? But as me ask the question, can vybzkartel save dancehall? You see me? I don't see that, you know. I don't see that at all. Him been dropping music and dropping album, but it's like, I don't see nothing now going. Nothing now going. My job collab, nothing now going. Nobody now tune into the music like how them tune into the controversy we have going with him in the media back in a couple months ago. You understand? We never see that. Freedom Street done you know. They have some booking event they gonna do right now, so people might look forward to it. You see it? Cause remember him saying I'm gonna take dancehall to the world, you know. You see me? Remember I'm gonna take dancehall to the world, but I don't know. If you can drop an album and it sell less than 2,000, I don't know. What I gonna do what am I gonna do for the world right now? No? I don't know. You understand? Cause him soon reach 50 you know. You see me? Yeah, him soon reach 50. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Cause this is the thing, you know. One man can carry dancehall to the world, you know. You see? Take many. Cause one man can do 10 plays at one time to represent, so you need a team. You see me? You need a group for that. You understand? But saving dancehall thing with vybzkartel, I know that not go. I know that I go happen, brother, cause rough on the music, you know, and the worst quality of the music. If you see what going on in London with the Red Bull Sound Clash, you know what kind of dub them there. You see it? Cause I dub them. The voice not there. You see me? Yeah man. Not there at all. You see it? But just hope say. See like how them say this and that. I hope it happen. Cause remember you know. I just show dancehall artists where they don't really put them life out there and way in the media and all of them because something there so vloggers and who have the Instagram page and all of them because something there. Them not really have much to post about certain artists because they not show them life out there, but you don't know Kartel things there already. The man they life out there. Open book, you see me? So no matter what happen, things I go talk about and all of them look a thing there. But the real thing as an artist we are talk about. When can go do for dancehall right now. You see me? But for those go on easy, you see me? Cause a different generation right now, young youths them do it. You see it? Yeah man, young youths them do it right now, man. You see me? Young youths. Cause everybody have them time in a dancehall, you know. You see me? And who for name call up all the while and all sort of them look thing. You see it? So I just say things said. But dancehall saving thing, I forgot leave for some next generation. You see me? Yeah. Right now Kartel thing. You just have to pick up where I left off, you see me? You just have to make up that 13 years, which that not got for now. You understand? Cause much show where I have right now. I don't even know if I'm going to manage all of the show there though. Jano. Just hope say we don't see no feel up on the stage and all of them someday. You see me? Yeah man, cause they wouldn't look good at all. You see me? Yeah man. But we don't see when can do for dancehall right now. You see it? You know Gaza fans not gonna like this, but are the facts. You see me? Are the facts. Cause can't really do that now. We don't know yourself too. You see me? We don't know yourself say. I just see that. You see it. But he may run the media. You know he's a craftsman. He can run the media anytime, but music thing, he just not dead anymore, yeah man. One of them thing there. And I don't think even him really gonna do too much music by him the road and one the reason why back then when mash about bass and I just him lock up, he never have no option. More than just do music. Have a links a road and then just push out the music and every little thing. That's all. But when him the road now, he not gonna make that. You see me? Have him shows them all of them make something but remember say him no perform now after Freedom Street, so we are gonna see what go on in the media. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah, you see it, so show them where you keep out there. Culture thing. Yeah man. But after all of the show them, what got up next? You see it? What we're gonna really up next, cause song them him drop last year and the album them I don't see nobody to react to them. So my people not even know. When him go to Grammy thing with you, we don't know. The nomination thing, we don't know about that. No people don't know the album. You see it? No people don't know the album. Get nominated, but we know them thing they go already, you see me? You know, links and everything there. So we don't know where I'm gonna do for dancehall right now. You see it? I just go on easy and just stay in a legend mode. You see it? Yeah. Just have to just leave it to the young youth, you know. You see it? In prime time gone. And in prime time I want him in a prison, you see me? Yeah man. We just have to give thanks and could release music when him behind bars, you see me? Because every artist get the chance to do that. You see me? Yeah. So them are going like say, now the artists get the chance to release some music from prison. Like what him do. Or nobody got 13 years like what him do, you see me? So them always use this 13 years to beat the artist them with their road. Which you know make no sense. You see me? Because no for artists them with their road now have the powers like him. Them not the links like him. You see me? Yeah. So can't compare with artists with their road and him their prison. Nah make no sense. Artists with their road a fight and a big to get the music promote. Him have the links a road, he just link up couple DJ and them once them say you Kartel this, you know. Bam bam. Promotion, every little thing. Easier. Them artists with their road. Them have to go stoop or one server. Do them have to more harder for them. You see me? So at this 13 years of prison thing, I come like I hit my Kartel powerful car. First in I history this me say a man go for prison for 13 years and they might use that as a acknowledgement or they might use it as a accolades. You never know say 13 years of prison is a accolades now. Yeah man. Accolades business. Never know at all. Look like them one artist who go prison for 13 years. Yeah man. Yeah man, say left from prison and go walk on red carpet. I say wow. Never know say something like that could have announced. That even add up. You see me, that even match in a statement, cause at the end of the day, we know if we get nominated on the board already. You have to have a links on the Grammy board. You understand? Yeah. You have to have a links. You see it? And look here. I can play that video and show you the links.
Just I know who Vybz Kartel is. They seen him, you know. People see him in the timeline. They think he must have done like Big Meech.
I'll just watch a video there, you see? See where you brother say? And them money put in work, see him over so. You see it? Them money make him get on the board. You see it? Yeah. Them money make him get on the Grammy board, cause him dey on it. You hear what man say Grammy don't know him. Them think him as some man. Them think him as some man down Africa or whatever. Some kingpin or something. You see it? Cause them, you know them people are going to say everybody know Kartel. You understand? And when you check it, a real thing. Yeah, we know the diaspora know. Cause remember, you know, enough people understand UK in UK. The UK is just second Jamaica, you know. You understand? UK is not too different from a yard like that, you know. It may be a more first worldish country in a way, but it's not really different. Cause remember say back in the days when we got UK, we never did have to use no visa. A passport we are using and a travel. You see me? So UK have a lot of Jamaicans over there. A lot of Jamaicans. People go over there and breed up and all of them things there. And if you check streaming views and all of them some there, remember say when Freedom Street are keeping and the man say over UK, no fight ticket them sell the most. be a Jamaican over there. So one time you hear them attack where UK and all them, because Jamaican them same way. You see me? But talk about US, it's a different ball game that. You understand? Same as the youth say, I mean, I really know Kartel. Them don't know Kartel, you see me? So I just one of them thing there. Yeah man, but Kartel with dancehall thing kinda help you know. But if you just go and relax, go and do show them and all of them because something. Go and put out the music, but that carry dancehall on the next level thing. That outdated right now. You see me? If I just left that to young generation, you see it? Yeah man people, you don't know. Remember to like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah man, a media facts, you know. That is it.